How to delete recent ad activity on Facebook. The very first thing you have to do is simply go ahead and open up your Facebook application and make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you are logged in, the next step is to actually head over to your profile icon at the top right. And once you get here, you're going to have to tap on the settings menu up top. Once you land on settings and privacy, scroll down a bit until you find this option where it says your activity. So tap on the activity log, and from here you're going to have to select your Facebook activity, and you can select the post or the settings that is related with your ad. And once you find it, what you're going to have to do is you'll be able to see all of the posts or ads that you've interacted with. So all you have to do now is, in order to delete it, tap on the three lines right besides the post, and then from here click on delete. And once that is done, you will be able to delete the ad activity that you interacted with. That's it, guys. I hope this was helpful. I'll see you on the next one.